YouTube? Welcome back. Sean Moss back with another video in the middle of Shibuya. I know where they got Godzilla at. Let's see. Godzilla. Oh my, Godzilla. It's crazy though. I always wanted to come here when I was younger. I'm here now. Got some food spots. I want to try some of this. I don't know what. They go to the dog cafe. Oh look, they got a cat one too. You can go in there. I think you could. When you go in these places, you can get to like to kind of adopt the cat or something and stuff. I mean, I know a lot of people can see this stuff on YouTube already and stuff. I know this, but for the people that don't know me, for me to be here is kind of extraordinary. Look. I like that Kobe beef or something. Shabu. I'm not gonna hold you. I ain't eating in one of these places. The area where I'm at, shoot, I paid for breakfast this morning. It was low-key trash. I'm gonna put it in the video if you ain't seen it already. My plate, of course. Yeah. Okay, check this out. I got the rice. And I forgot the soy sauce. Uh-oh. Copyright. I think it's like the equivalent of it's like the equivalent of what would you call it? Hollywood. Alright, y'all, found me a KFC. They're trying to tear it up. I mean, y'all seen videos of this. People eating KFC. This ain't nothing. 3-piece fries and a biscuit. $8. In the US right now, alright, $20. Their biscuit different too. Light skin, huh? They don't taste the best. Tastes like rubber. It could be this location. Just dry on them, choking on the biscuit, you know, chilling. Well, I'm about to do this little go-kart thing. Y'all see, I can see it firsthand. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm spooked a little bit. One, I don't know how to drive out here. Two, you gotta sign a waiver. I think it's only bodily injury, 80,000 yen. You know how much 80,000 yen is? I'm worried about it. Like, I'm nervous. But I said I was gonna do it, so scratch this off the bucket list. These streets be hecka thin. Look at this. They beefing. It's crazy. And I'm right here. So yeah, I'm happy to be able to even show y'all this stuff, to be filming this, and you know what I mean? So, y'all forgive me. Forgive me, I'm nervous. And I don't want to back out though, but you see I got my little harness on. See my daughters, they put stickers on any and everything. Clothes, phone, anything nailed down. Lucky this camera ain't got no stickers on it. I got my glasses in my bag too, make sure I can see. But I'm gonna do it, and I'm gonna be cautious. So, hope for the best. See y'all there. Boom. Like that, we back. YouTube, what's up? Just got through doing a little go-karts out here. I ain't gonna hold you. It was cool, but took a lot out of me. I'm drained. I'm already tired from last night, but it was cool, man. It's beautiful out here, man. Like that, we back. You see, I got the water. I got the orange here. I got the rice.
This is number 2.
Okay. And I got the, ooh, what's that, what this is? Harum. Okay.
Yeah, Wagyu Karubi. Yes.
Wagyu Harum. Yeah, it's about to go down. Boy. If it didn't hate on me, would it be a hopefully they ain't charging me $1,000. I'm not gonna hold you, it just melted in my mouth off. Oh God. Oh God. That's why I do fire. Hey y'all, welcome to La Casa. It's right here. Little, you know, little drawer with all the little stuff. You feel me? What's this down here? Oh, I got a little fridge. Okay. Something in there. Okay. Nothing in there. I mean, a little bed. Okay. A little 20-inch on the wall. Oh no, what's up with the camera? My bad, y'all. Let me get this together. 40 minutes on the train. Alright, I don't know. That's a cool little view. Hopefully it all light up at night. Wait, is that a hospital? Boy, they got me under surveillance. They took this bathroom look like. Oh, the bathroom a little bigger than the other one. Okay. And the lights on there. Okay. It's basically really just storage. You know, that's just storage. Hey y'all, thanks for looks. Y'all can like a video. I'll pay for this. So I'm about to sit down, relax, change clothes or something. Shoot, probably go get something to eat. I'll be back on. Here at Blessing Forest, Illuminated Forest, or whatever. So I don't know what it is. So I looked upon that they have a. It's pretty. Now my daughter's gonna like this.